Alright, let's see what we got.
You got this, man. You got this.
Let's see what.
We're gonna document the whole process here. Oh yeah, for sure.
See, the first tip to drawing your own logo is that you first must understand your own logo. Right. So we'll put this right here. Right, we'll put a little dot here. Put a dot here.
Oh, you were going methodical here. I
This
love
is going to give us a straight line right across. We'll do this right here like this. This line here like this.
It's going right under the Flintstone. That's perfect.
Going down
Oh, this
here
is
like
going to be the
this.
tightest logo of them all, man.
Right, it's not
It's
quite ready.
It's like Happy Accident, the Bob Ross of signing this wall here.
Make sure we get it right in here. Right, it's down like this. And come up in the A, come back down. Right.
Beautiful.
That
Oh man,
it's the very beginning of what we're working on. Okay? Let's see. Alright, so
no, honestly, nobody brought out for scale, so this is brilliant.
It's not even a flat surface. It's like moving. I'm just trying to write on it.
Yes, it has been a challenge, I must say.
I think you're doing a great job.
Oh yeah, and I love how
Spelling
this
it right and
came out, and I love how colorful it is.
now this is a perfect representation of this.
Indeed.
Perfect. In all shapes and sizes.
To scale, and well done, my friend.